Hey everybody, so I've got a very nice equipment trailer for you here. This is a 30-foot KAUFMAN. It's a 2018. It's got the heavy-duty chains, gooseneck ball coupler, your 7-way plug adapter, your battery is just right up in here inside the neck, brand new spare tire. There's your battery for your breakaway kit. You got dual mount front jacks. These are the spring return ones, so that's nice. Front mount toolbox. Put a padlock on it, that's really nice. Thing I like about this KAUFMAN, it's just like the PJ, okay, you got your access step on both sides, but they cut your I-beam in so it's even with the deck, so your trailer's just a little bit not so high, which is nice to keep your load lower to the ground. You can see all the marker lights are working. You've got your side flasher here. You've got 12,000 pound axles. You got the oil filled hubs, they are duals. You can see the tires got a lot of tread on them still, guys. I would say, you know, maybe 1 or 2 tires are only 50%, but overall I'd say the rest are 75 or better. You got the 5-foot dovetail, so it's 25 foot to here to the front. And then you've got your 5-foot dovetail plus 5.5-foot ramps. And you've got your drop supports as well. You've got all LED lights here. All your marker lights are working. Come around, you've got your supports. Now these will not flip all the way forward, guys, so they're just transit vertical. Got your mud flaps. Again, the tires, very good shape. 75% I would say, guys, all around. Again, that marker light's working. You got your side step here. Nice thing is this got the headache rack, so if you got your hired hands using the trailer, and they can be assholes like mine where they send things a little hard, you don't have to worry about it coming forward on you. And then you do have the adjustable neck. I dropped it 1 pin so it can go longer 1 more pin than where it's at, or shorten it 2 more from where it's at. And we'll go in the cab here. I'm gonna put it in gear. And then just toggle the brakes. And they are stopping the truck. So just got it held here. Trailer's not moving. I'm gonna release. So brakes are all working from what I can tell, guys. All around, damn nice trailer, guys. She's heavy duty, ready to go down the road and go to work.